Hey guys, in this session let us install Oracle database. Just go to Oracle home location and go to bin directory. Okay, this directory contains DBCA utility. This DBCA utility can be used to install Oracle database. Okay, also make sure that Xming software is opened. Okay, just invoke this DBCA. Since I have logged in using root user, I will not be able to use this session. I will be using a duplicate window and log in as Oracle user. Again, I will locate to this directory and invoke DBCA. Here choose create a database, click on next, click on advanced configuration, click on next, click on next. Here you can give any name for the Oracle database. Here I will be giving the name as xperf. Okay, and if container database is required, you can create the database as container, and if it is not required, you can disable this option. Okay, here I will be just creating one container PDB and enable container database. Click on next, click on next. Just specify fast recovery area and enable archiving. Okay, here click on browse to specify the location for fast recovery area. I'll be just creating some directories inside /uo2 called FRA, fast recovery area. Okay, I will be choosing this location, FRA. Okay, all the archive log files, backup files, and multiplexed files, all these files will be stored under this directory. Okay, click on next, click on next, just click on next. Here by default automatic shared memory management is chosen. Why? Because memory size is greater than 4 GB and the number of processes can be specified to 1000. Okay, and character set is OEL32 UTF-8, and you can also add sample schemas to the database by clicking on this checkbox. Okay, now you can click on next, and you can just untick this checkbox if you don't require Enterprise Manager Database Express. Okay, click on next. Here you can give a default password for all administrator account. You can click on next. Here you can leave it as default and click on next. Just click on finish. Now Oracle database installation is started. Just wait for the Oracle database installation to complete. Now Oracle database installation is complete. We don't need to execute any configuration scripts. Okay, just click on close. Now set the environment variable and give xperf. This is the Oracle SID. Now give SQL plus / as sysdba. Just check the status of the instance. Select status from $instance. Okay. Now that we have installed Oracle database successfully, in the upcoming sessions we'll be discussing about Oracle database performance.